Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Voice Mono Wig from Wille's Hairpower Hairpower Collection. This is a lovely heat resistant synthetic wig, meaning that you can style it with any heat tools up to the heat of 130 degrees. So it's fab if you were wanting to add some curls or waves, whatever you want with this wig. She's a lovely long style that falls just below the shoulders with some beautiful longer layers. She's got a full monofilament top, meaning that you can part her any direction that you want, making it a very versatile wig. So I'm just going to flip this wig inside out so we can take a closer look at the cap construction of this wig. So as I mentioned earlier, we've got the full monofilament top as well as this lace front going on at the front here, meaning that you can part the hair in any direction and it gives the illusion that the hairs are growing straight from your scalp because you can see right through. On the back here we've got this lovely open wefting which has a great bit of stretch to it, making it very comfortable and breathable, perfect for summer and keeping you nice and cool. We've got these little velcro adjustable tabs at the back so that you can get the fit of this wig absolutely perfect for you. As well, in these little ear tabs we've got our little metal stays that you just bend into place so it keeps it nice and secure on your temples. So I've just popped on a little wig cap so that I can pop the Voice Mono Wig on and you can see what she looks like. Just going to pull her down at the back there, then grabbing onto the ear tabs and making sure they are aligned with my temples there, and making sure that that front hairline is about 4 fingers away from my eyebrows. So as I mentioned before, because you've got that monofilament top, you can part this hair in any direction. So I'm just going to run a little part down here. We go. This is the shade Pearl Blonde Rooted, which is a lovely light blonde colour with lots of beautiful sort of cooler toned highlights running through, but still retaining a little bit of that warmth. I'm going to swap onto a different colour so you can see some of the shades available. This shade here is a dark chocolate mix, which is a beautiful, really rich, dark brunette colour. You've got a couple different tones running throughout, giving it lots of dimension. Which is really shown off with these long layers as well. So the final shade I've got here is Sahara Beige Rooted, which is a little bit more of a warmer toned blonde, again with lots of tones running through, and the slightly shaded root here too. So lengthwise, this wig has 20 centimetres of length in the fringe and about 40 centimetres overall length. You've got all these beautiful fun layers, and again it can be heat styled using any heat tools up to 130 degrees. So it's fab if you wanted a poker straight look, you could just straighten it out, or if you wanted to add a wee bit more curl and wave, you're absolutely able to do that as well. So I'm just going to do a little spin around so you can see what this wig looks like from every single angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about Wille's Hairpower Voice Mono Wig from the Hairpower Collection. As you can see, it is a lovely, slightly longer style with lots of different layers, giving beautiful movement and a very natural feel to it. Comes in a lovely variety of colours and it is heat resistant, meaning that you can style it in any way you want. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media platforms and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia.
Don't forget to check out the other wig review videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel,
and head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews.
I'll see you again soon.